Some month before, a serious problems was reported that the small kids died because of cough syrup, contaminated cough syrup, and it was like because of some accident this happened, but this was not actually the accident. It was a systematic failure, and it starts with Dr. Praveen Soni. He did a telephonic call to other doctor where the critical patient, I mean that child, was admitted, and they callously he said that that child will going to die due to kidney failure. Just imagine the seriousness and what might be the condition of the parents, and a lot of children died there because of that adulterated cough syrup. Okay, so this news explains many things, and it says that it started with this manufacturer, which is Shrestha Pharmaceuticals, and this was established in 1984. You can understand how old it is, but actually, because it is old, that doesn't mean that they have everything very perfect. They were preparing this oral pharmaceuticals, and this chemist Ranganathan, who was a proprietor also, was charged, previously booked on 5 occasions. Just imagine. And he was freed by paying some penalties and fine. And he used the propylene glycol, which must not be used in the oral pharmaceuticals industry grade, but he used. And when the investigation was carried out on that farm, 39 critical deficiencies and 325 major deficiencies were found. And shamelessly, these people are saying that all the allegations are false, and the responsible person, another one, was this propylene glycol's supplier. He did that thing. He is knowing that this pharmaceutical company will going to use this for manufacturing of pharmaceuticals, but still he supplied that industry grade propylene glycol, and to hide that stuff, QR code and like this third party payment was done. And last section says that the Apna Pharma, which was stockist, is also is relative of this Soni, doctor Rajesh Soni, family relative, nephew. So this is what this happened, the systematic failure of this stuff.